Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting essentials: your PAN number, a scanned PAN copy, and Aadhaar or other ID proof with your new phone details. Next, go to the NSDL or UDITSL PAN correction page and choose the change option for an existing PAN. Once there, enter your PAN, pick the Contact Details section, and type the new mobile number carefully. Make sure digits are correct, because later verification will rely on that exact number. Now you fill the PAN correction form and update only the mobile field under contact information to avoid unnecessary changes. Upload clear scans of required documents, follow specified formats and file size limits because poor uploads trigger rejections. Then proceed to payment using card/net banking or UPI. Once payment clears, you will get an acknowledgement or token ID. Save that ID immediately because it's the reference for tracking status and for any future follow-up. Finally, monitor your application using the acknowledgement ID on the portal. Processing typically takes around 15 to 30 business days. Once approved, download the ePAN PDF or wait for the physical PAN to arrive if you opted for dispatch. If the update is rejected or you don't receive OTPs, make sure the mobile linked to your Aadhaar matches the new number. If it doesn't, update Aadhaar first or contact support with your acknowledgement ID. That single check resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.